I feel very comfortable here. I am working here since 5 years now. I would say that I am very impressed of the Tapian. The teacher is showing us how to press the pictures and how the other people can learn of this. I'm a traditional man and I love how to learn the tradition about other cultures like this. I'm very impressed and I'm very thankful that you give me an insight of Chinese culture.
I have attended and experienced a lot of cultural activities in Chizhou the past year, but the one that had the biggest impression on me was the Qinyangqiang. When you watch it, it looks simple, beautiful, but when you really have a nice admiring of it, you can see that all of the makeup and all of the costume, all of it together is the art itself.